Hey, I know I'm getting kind of addicted to videotaping right now, but well, I just want to show you what I do and who I go with at school. So here, the one that's very beautiful and not looking to the camera. Her name is Sarah. She's Manika 0608. She's that girl, you know. This girl is Violet. Her name's Kathy. Her name's Kathy. Hi. And this is Hazel. She says she's broken. She's broken hearted. She's a that one in red, that's Michelle. That's Michelle. And that guy over there, that's Christopher. He's very quiet all the time. Sarah, Sarah said she's gonna punch me because I'm putting down the video. On the video. Actually, the classes aren't even starting yet. All right. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. She's asking me to drink with her, so with them, and I couldn't help but agree. Just agree because I really miss the taste of alcohol. You know, you want some? You want some? Because if you do, I'm not giving you. I know you don't drink. And here's another one. That girl coming over here. Her name is Angel. She's Precious Gel 19. Hey, Precious Gel 19, wave to the camera. She didn't even see me. She didn't even see me. Yeah, of course. Yesterday, I was in Immaculate and I was videotaping too because there was a what do you call that? A general assembly of BBMPC. General Assembly. Bagong Barrio Multipurpose Cooperative. Hey, I think I want to buy something because I'm thirsty and I have a 200 over here. I was planning to go to Walmart and buy some notebooks so that I can use. Hey, I wonder where my 200 go. I'm just gonna find it. Wait. There. I found it. See? I found it. It says 200. See that? See that? Okay, I'm gonna go and buy something now. I'm thirsty. Oh, look, all the toys. All the toys. All the toys. Hey, this case. Case. Minute case. Look how small they are. I can only fit my fingers through them. I mean, try those. Okay, I'm gonna buy something now. What am I gonna buy on Thursday? Ito may mineral water po. Isa po. Wait lang po. Okay, got it. Got it. See, I got it. Yeah. Okay, got my change and I'm going back to the table. Hey Sarah, I like your lipstick. I like the color of it. I wonder why every time I make a video, I'm not in it because I'm always just speaking and I don't face the camera to me. Precious Joe 19. Hello. That's her. But she was a white like you. She's so white. Yeah, like you. I mean, I look white too. Hey. Nagulat ka pa, sabay, huwag ganyan. Gumanon din na may buhok. Ay, huwag ganyan. Hi, ate. Because I'm a very good student. My mom won't allow me to go. When I'm pretending to be. Kasi hindi ako payagan ni mama pumunta sa school kapag hindi ako pinasusuot niya sa akin yung palda ng school uniform. Yung skirt ng school uniform. Yung gandito. Oh my gosh, no way. Hindi ako papasok. Grabe. Ipipi natin, diba? Wala bang klase? Wala pala. Now, look at that girl. She's putting some
Parang ikaw,
Hi!
paano ko sasayaw araw-araw?
Yun nga, just half. Just half Filipino, half.
Indian.
Indian? How about the nose? Where did the nose go? Kathy! Kathy, hello! Look how beautiful her hair is. Look! Yay! Everyone's putting on lipstick. See? Everyone's putting on lipstick. she's the most camera shy of all of them. She's the most camera shy. Hey, baby. Look. Look, we have white watches. White. See, we have white.
Ayos naman yung gamit ko.
Okay, the group isn't complete yet because Gemma isn't here, right?
Gemma, bakit?
Oo nga. Oh, I see. So, si Gemma lang kulang? So, Gemma's missing because she's at her body ache because they went on a swimming. They went swimming, I don't know when. Hazel just said that. Okay, so I'm against the light. I'm taking a video against the light. You know this girl? She's my favorite. I like her. I like her a lot. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop this. I can't say anything anymore. I'll open this later when we're drinking alcohol already. When we're drinking alcohol already. So what are we gonna drink later? MP, Emperador, light. Emperador. One of the doors I told you. Emperador, Fundador, and Matador.
Uy, grabe ha.
Hey door. Hey door.
Oh, pakibigay nga tayo. Hawa na?
Bye-bye, Door. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Michael. Mwah. Love you, sweetie.